So a simple job we're going to tackle today is the tinted windscreen and front windows. A wonderful law enforcement in the UK say it's illegal to have tints this dark. I like them, but the police don't, and the last thing I want is to be pulled over by the police over this hassle. So we'll give a go of getting these off today and taking it back to its original condition of a much lighter front. Let's see how we get on. So as you can see, we've just picked on an end here, and it looks like it's going to come off nice and easy. Window up a bit so we can get the bottom of it off. So as you can see, it's leaving some sort of like glue on the window, but we've got this auto game fast gas. We spray it a bit, and then I'm using one of these plastic scrapers, and it is actually getting the glue off. It's just taking a bit of time, but it is doing it. So yeah, I'll show you the finished result once we've done all this scraping. So the driver's side done. It looks good, and what's really weird about it is, I'll shut the door, the tint looks dark enough to warrant, like, why on earth did you put a tint on it? Like, if I go here, it looks almost the same as the windscreen anyway. Very weird what people do. Anyway, that's the driver's side off. Now I've got the fun of getting the passenger side off. Wish me luck.